Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. All right, now I've completed the restoration of this AO39 speaker amplifier from a Hammond A102 organ. Just finished installing the multi-can capacitor here, and so all the connections have been made, and I ran the ground from here, new bus wire here, use a piece of the old bus wire right there, and so that's what it looks like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. All right, so I'll come back and show you what I'm going to do next. All right, so until the next video. Oh, let me show you what this looks like. When I pull it over here, there you go. That's what the new can looks like there. There you go. See? So I left this one in because just provides symmetry there. But it is now disconnected. So this is no longer functional. It's not connected anymore. It's still installed, but it's not connected. Everything is connected to the one can. This cool thing about having the 4-section cans is that 30-30, 30-30 at 475, as opposed to the 30-30, and then it was a 30-30 here at 450. The good thing about the 4-section cans is that I only need one, and it'll take care of all of the connections. All right, so that's it for this video. Until the next time, this is Dr. Kemp saying to you, peace out.